Hey everybody, welcome to BodyFix PT and Performance YouTube channel. In this video we're going to talk about foam rolling for the calves. That's the back of the leg below the knee. I'm going to talk about a couple different ways we can do this. I'm not huge on using the foam roll on my calves because of some issues I have with my knees. They tend to hyperextend, and we'll talk about that. But it's okay for a little bit. So I'm going to show you on the foam roll. What I'm going to do is, if you have real tight tender calves, you can go ahead and get them both up there on that foam roller, right? You're going to push through those arms, get those hips off the ground, and you're going to roll up and down. Okay? Now, what I like to do, if you're not super tight, is if I want to get my left calf, I'm going to cross my right leg over, okay? And then I'm going to roll up and down. And if I find, like right there, I found a really good sore spot. So I'm going to roll it side to side. I'm going to move my foot up and down and really kind of get that at that spot, okay? Now what I'm talking about, this foam roll is about 6 inches high off the ground, okay? So my knees tend to hyperextend. That means they bend a little bit backwards when I get down in my Achilles. So what I like to do is I can go with a softball or a mobilization ball. It's a little bit smaller, as you can see. If I put these next to each other, it's a little bit smaller. I don't know how well the yellow shows up on the white. And then I'm going to put that under my calf, like so. I can still do the crossing over and just roll that around and move around, okay? So that's another way to do it, same thing. And then the third way is you could take a peanut. I have 2 lacrosse balls taped together. I think you could just buy a peanut, or you can tape 2 tennis balls together. I'm gonna do this on the other leg now. So I'm gonna put that under my calf, like so. Cross my leg over, and I can just roll up and down, side to side. I'll move my foot, you can see it's right there. All right, if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Give us that thumbs up. If there's something you want to know, reach out to us at bodyfixpt.com, or you can check out in the comments below. Take care. We hope you enjoyed this video. Give it that thumbs up.